Hey everybody, and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to export Instagram followers to Excel. Before we begin, please support us by clicking that subscribe button and turning on those bell notifications. Let's get started. So the easiest way to do that is to go into Google Chrome here, open up a new tab. We're going to search for Helper Tools Instagram, and this is just a handy add-on. We'll click this link right over here, and we'll add it to Chrome, add extension, and there's their advertisement for a premium plan, but it looks like everything's good. We don't need to do anything there. We can close our two tabs, and here's a sample Instagram page, and I'll just go ahead and click this Helper Tools for Instagram button now. And then we're going to go and we just want the followers of this particular page, and we don't need to limit the amount. We could if we wanted to, and we'll get a list of users. You may want to limit the amount if you have maybe a couple million followers, because it would take quite a while, but this page just has 1,400, so it shouldn't take too long. The other options out there for grabbing a list of Instagram followers, usually you have to pay for it, even begin to use their services, but this handy little add-on, completely free for what we're doing right now. We can also start detailed info collection if we wanted to, but we'll uncheck that box just to make things go a little quicker for our video. And it looks like it just finished. It took about 4 minutes and 8 seconds to do those 1,400 followers. Just make sure if you have a raffle or something coming up, and especially if you have a lot of followers, just go ahead and do that before and ahead of time. So now we'll click on XLSX, which is an Excel format. We can export this directly to Excel, and it just downloaded a file for us. We'll open that right up, and there we have it. We got their IDs, we got their usernames, full names even, profiles. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.